Hey Xiaomi users, if you love using MTZ themes, then this video is just for you. Recently I found a new way to install MTZ themes on Xiaomi phones, and the best part is, unlike the previous method, you only need one app instead of two. So in this video I will show you the app, how to set it up, and finally how to install any MTZ theme with a real example. So let's get started. The app is called Zyper and you can easily download it from the Play Store. Once you open the app, this is how it looks. If the app shows inactive, don't worry. We just need to enable a few permissions. Let's start with the notifications. Open it and allow the permission. This helps the app keep running in the background. Next, open battery optimization and turn it off for this app. Otherwise, your phone may stop the app in the background. After that, open Auto Start and enable it. This makes sure the app starts automatically after a restart. That's it. Once all these permissions are enabled, the app should become active. Now tap on the Apply MTZ icons at the bottom. Then select MTZ theme you want to install and wait a few seconds while the app imports it. And that's it. As you can see, the MTZ theme has been installed successfully. By the way, a big thanks to the developer for making this process so simple. Earlier we had to use two different apps, but now everything can be done with just one app, which makes the whole process a lot easier. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe Mobile Funda for more HyperOS tips and tricks and customization videos. See you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.